Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about AutoCAD 2D drafting in shortcut command. Basically, shortcut command is many different types like uh, line command, circle command, ellipse command, rectangle command. So different draw command to use 2D drafting in AutoCAD. So let's start how to work in shortcut key. Shortcut key directly used to keyboard button to press and apply the command AutoCAD 2D background. So let's start. First of all, we have used to this AutoCAD background. This is the largest infinite background here, and number of drawings we have create this background. So first of all, use to line command. The line command is used is directly go to home page and click the line here. See this is the 2D drafting menu bar. Then this is line. When used to directly click this line and start from anywhere. Okay, so this is click here and start. This line is directly to click, and we have provide the distance 200. Put down the distance here and go to enter. So this is the one thing for directly use in line command, and second use to shortcut key. So how to get shortcut key in line command? So let's see this. They am not select this here. We have directly from before remove this line, and we have directly select this line. How to directly select? So when I get use shortcut key, so shortcut key we have pressed the L, that means line to indicate. So we have pressed the L and go to enter. So this is apply here line command. See this. When again I will put down the value 200 and get this dimension right now. When again I will go to 100. So when press the 100 and go to 100 distance, then also go to 100 again. So this one is 100 and also come from 50. So here 50, then again 100. Put down 100, then come to down direction. So see, very easy to create the shortcut key without select this home page. When put the L enter and start from line anywhere. So this is the one command we have used how to use to line command basically. Second thing, I will go to use circle command. So circle command is here you see this one is circle here. When again how to use, when go to home page and directly click this circle and come from here and go to start from, they are asking to radius, so we have put the radius and diameter. So when I get put the value is 20. If I get put the value is 60. So here you can see that value has put down make the circle right now, and put L enter and get make the center line here, and also enter, then start from L enter and join. So this is very easy to create the line and circle. Now I will use to shortcut key in circle command. So they am not select this here, I am directly click the C enter, press the C, and after press the enter. Now apply the command is circle. Then again also asking the radius. So when I put down radius is 80 mm. Okay, so this one is 80, this one is 80 mm radius here. See this. Now again I will show you the rectangle command. They are directly used to rectangle command. Here how to use the shortcut key in rectangle command. So basically first of all we have choose from rectangle here. If I get use the home page, so see this rectangle. Okay, so let's enter the rectangle and we have start the point. This is the particular point and go to first coordinate, and before proper measurement in this rectangle, so press the de-enter, because de-enter is first dimension is rectangle, so first dimension is rectangle is 250 mm. Enter, and again asking the upward direction dimension, so 200. So this one has made the rectangle right now very easy to create the rectangle. But now this time I will select this particular area and click the rectangle and become to background. But how to use the shortcut key in the rectangle command? So shortcut key is going to be used R, E, C. They are the shortcut command in rectangle. Not select this here, they are directly put the alphabet REC called rectangle. Enter the rectangle and gets start. The rectangle is same dimension. De-enter, first press the de-enter is first distance 300, and again upward direction for going to distance is 200. So like you make this rectangle here. So they are very easy to create the rectangle in AutoCAD 2D drafting. So we have made the line, circle and rectangle, and how to get use arc command. Now see this the arc here, arc command. When how to get the directly use in, go to home page. This is the home page here and apply the arc command. Arc command, it means here you can see that arc command basically start point here and go to second point and also join to third point. In anywhere we have create the arc. So they are the different thing to make the arc and directly used to home page command. Second thing we have use in shortcut key for arc command. So basically arc command is here, but we have used to shortcut key. So let's click the A enter called arc command. So A enter, we have applied the arc command. Same arc command we have applied, just we back use from home page module command. So like this is very easy from make the arc command in anywhere to draw. Now I will show you the ellipse command. Ellipse command, basically here you can see that ellipse command. Right now we have directly used to ellipse and put down the value is 40, then also get put down value is 100. So now series make the ellipse right now 40 and 100 ellipse. So this one is used to directly select the command, then after make the ellipse here. But second thing I will get use the ellipse command is shortcut key. So EL enter, apply the ellipse command, put down ellipse value and get 80 in one distance and 200 in second distance. So like you have show you this ellipse to make the very easy. So this one is used to home page in this menu bar, and second I will show you the shortcut key in whole command. So this one is very easy to draw the AutoCAD 2D drafting working. So today has complete the session, and please do like and subscribe our channel.